In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a trailing stop loss in Thinkorswim. A trailing stop helps protect profits by automatically moving your stop level as the price moves in your favor, while still defining a clear exit if the market turns against you. Start by opening Thinkorswim and heading to the Monitor tab. Under Activity and Positions, locate the position you want to protect. This is where you can manage open trades and create exit orders directly from your holdings. Right-click on the position. If you're long the stock, meaning you bought shares, choose Create Opposite Order to generate a sell order. If you're short, meaning you previously sold shares first, choose the option to duplicate the existing sell order so you can create a buy-to-cover exit. This simply sets up an order in the correct direction to close your position. Look to the order ticket at the bottom of the platform. Open the order type dropdown and select Trail Stop. This converts your exit into a trailing stop order that can move with price. Next, focus on the price or offset field. Enter the trailing amount as either a dollar value or a percentage. For a long position, you'll typically enter a negative value, like 200, to trail $2 below the market. If you choose a percentage, the same idea applies. For example, 3% trails 3% below. As the price rises, your stop ratchets up by the same offset. If the price falls, the stop stays put and can trigger if hit. For example, if the stock climbs to 50 with a $2 offset, your stop trails at 48. If the price then drops, the stop remains at 48 and may execute if reached. Choose the reference price under link. Mark is common for stocks and uses the midpoint of the bid, and ask, which helps reduce noise. If you prefer more conservative or aggressive tracking, you can link to BID or LAST, but Mark is a solid default for many situations. Set the time in force to either day or GTC. Good till canceled. Day cancels the order at the end of the trading session if it isn't filled. GTC keeps it working across sessions until it fills or you cancel it. Keep in mind that gaps can occur between sessions, so choose what aligns with your plan. Finally, click Confirm and Send to review the details, then Send to place the order. After it's live, watch how the stop trails as price moves, and adjust the offset or reference if needed to match your risk tolerance. That's it. You've set up a trailing stop in Thinkorswim.